Cloth versus medical. Are all masks created equal? With the Omicron variant surging through our communities, a leading infectious disease doctor is getting a lot of attention for what she's saying about cloth masks.
Don't wear a cloth mask. Cloth masks are little more than facial decorations. There's no place for them in light of Omicron.
So let's take a closer look at that. Are cloth masks little more than facial decorations? For answers, I've been looking at research papers from the Journal of American Medicine and the Journal of Education and Health Promotion. And I spoke with Dr. Ashley Renee Stasinski. She's an infectious disease expert at Stanford University who worked on a mask effectiveness study involving 350,000 people living in villages in Bangladesh. Is it accurate to say that it's just facial decoration?
A high-quality cloth mask is more than facial decoration. I would say that that's not an entirely correct statement to say that it's facial decoration. But we know that some of the really inferior cloth masks really provide next to no protection.
The Stanford study found significantly fewer COVID-19 cases in villages with surgical masks compared to villages where people wore cloth masks. But it also found cloth masks did reduce the overall likelihood of experiencing symptoms of respiratory illness during the study period.
So while cloth masks are certainly likely to be less effective, they're still likely to be better than nothing, because even if they filter out those small particles less well, we know that they do still filter out larger particles like droplets, which may also have a role in transmission.
So cloth masks can work, but should we still be wearing them? A study in the Journal of Education and Health Promotion concluded cloth face masks have limited efficacy in combating viral infection transmission, and a study in the Journal of American Medicine found the effectiveness of consumer-grade and improvised coverings varied widely. What do you think people should take away, that cloth masks are something you should avoid?
I would say if you have access to any better mask, always choose that one.
So are cloth masks little more than facial decoration? The answer is no. Cloth masks can offer some protection, but it varies widely from mask to mask. But since the idea of a mask is to cut your risk of getting or giving an infection, a cloth mask should not be your first choice. It should be your last. For Verify, I'm David Schechter.